Why does your scanner show the P2723 engine code? What does it mean? P2723 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid E performance or stuck off. It indicates a problem with the pressure control solenoid E in a vehicle's automatic transmission. This code triggers when the pressure control solenoid E is either stuck in the off position or not functioning properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: low transmission fluid, dirty transmission fluid, faulty pressure control solenoid, transmission shift solenoid failure, transmission pump failure, clogged transmission filter, wiring issue, transmission control module (TCM) failure, broken valve body. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in vehicles with automatic transmissions, including those made by Nissan, Land Rover, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Dodge, GMC, Mercedes-Benz, VW, Audi, Pontiac, Saturn, Skoda, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.